Okay kids, continue reading. I'm going to get some water.
Mr. Anthony, please don't use a plastic cup to drink water. It's not good for the earth.
Really? Why isn't it good for the earth?
Because it's made from plastic.
Well, so what should I use to drink water at school?
You should have your water bottle.
Oh, that's a great idea. Thank you.
Hello, Pipi, what are you doing?
I'm taking water. This is my water bottle.
Why do you have this in school?
Because of COVID-19. Do you agree?
Yes, I usually have my water bottle at school.
Me too.
Thomas, are you going to throw it away?
Yes, of course. What's wrong?
Don't throw it away. We can recycle it to protect the environment.
Really? How can we do that?
Yeah, we can use it to plant trees. The more plastic bottle we use, more and more trees we have.
Wow, this is amazing. We can get more oxygen from the tree, make environment cleaner, and protect the earth too.
Yeah, that's why I want to talk to you. So now, are you ready to make it?
Okay, let's do it together.
Yeah.
We have finished it.
Yeah, we can do that, you see?
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we collect the plastic bottles and plant more trees?
Such a nice idea, and I think we should campaign to protect the environment from now on.
Ta-da!
Together we can prevent the coming disasters of climate change and environmental destruction.
Together we can restore our Earth.